like you lost another one.
All right, so hey guys, I'm here with Joe at Point State Park. Joe is so kind to stop and just say hello. Joe is a veteran, United States Army, representing the Oakland VA Center.
Do it to the max!
Woo woo! All right, so here's the official marker, the medallion for the beginning of the Great Allegheny Passage here at the confluence. Point State Park is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful fountain here. Got to get the 920 in the shot. Boom. Looks like my first bike ramp that's going to put me up on the bridge. All right, guys, so this is one of the kind of bicycle ramps that you have to go on to get up on top of this bridge.
And is he back home and 100% behind you and supportive?
Oh yeah, 100% supportive. Actually, he just brought me out on my very first, or I was just able to take him on his very first tour.
Oh.
Yeah, so we did that about, we did a 7-week tour kind of like around our area in Michigan.
Yes.
And we used the ferry system. So we started up in Two Rivers and went south down to the Lake Ferry Express, cut over to Muskegon.
Yes.
And then went up to Ludington and then caught the SS Badger back.
Oh my gosh, fantastic.
So yeah, so he's in. He's in.
Oh,
I'm excited. All right, folks, I am here in Pittsburgh with Colleen. Colleen is with
Senior Cycling.
All right, Senior Cycling based out of Asheville, North Carolina. So she's traveling around the world, hitting different states in the country, and cycling with seniors, keeping them active and outside and sharing stories and wonderful experiences. And adventure never stops, folks. We're excited here. I'm headed towards Washington, D.C. Colleen, I have her blessing. We're excited.
100,000% all the way. You're amazing.
Woohoo! All right, we'll see you soon.
Okay.
All right, so just got through the busy part of Pittsburgh on the trail. Just turned into like a little bit of a crushed limestone. Not bad, easy riding. I think we're on this for a couple miles and then it turns back to pavement. All right, I've never seen this process before, but apparently this wasp is preparing to lay an egg and bury all of this. It's a whole lot of work, a little bit at a time. Crazy. Coming through like an industrial part of town here. Coming up on McKeesport. All right, just gotta mention the McKeesport Memorial here. The memorial dedicated to all who served, died, survived the infamous attack on Pearl Harbor. Another memorial and shrine here dedicated to all men and women of all wars.
like you lost another one.
All right, so you see I just came over that like small, very narrow pedestrian bridge entering the town of Portview, and it spits you out on this road that parallels the railroad tracks here. So I think I'm only on this for a little bit before the trail picks back up, but not too bad. More of that like industrial scene, scrap metal yard or something to my left. All right, so this trail is very user-friendly. You come across these towns and you see the town map directory. It shows you where you are and which direction you need to go. Really cute, like information centers. All right, guys, so I'm on the Gap Trail, and it's pretty much like this. It's been like this for a while, just this nice patch, like crushed limestone, easy to ride, super peaceful. I'm about 8 miles from West Newton now, where I'm gonna stop and grab a bite to eat and kind of see what's going on and how far we're gonna go today. Alright guys, so I was just surprised with an ice cream shop right off the trail. Just pedaling along, listening to my music, and I saw that twisty cone and I'm like, boom, I have to get some ice cream. So that was a nice treat. I am almost to West Newton, gonna stop there, grab some food, and guys, so I just came across this farm stand here. Jeff, the guy who's running the place, he's got some fresh vegetables, ice cream, all sorts of little stuff like that. You can kind of stop here, get drinks, just random stuff. There's really no stores or anything like that around here. Looks like the beer is gone. I'm a little too late, but at any rate, what's cool is I'm kind of picking up dinner. So right now, this is what's in the works. Got a couple potatoes, some corn, of course, Cheetos for a midnight snack. And Jeff is running to grab me a couple onions and a small zucchini because like that's a little too much for me. So yeah, nice fresh trail meal. I can't wait to cook it up tonight. Yeah, so Jeff just informed me that he actually rents out this upper loft, I guess, here. All right, nice little entry here. Very cute, nice and simple, off the trail, clean, basic necessities. Got a nice sink. Who's up? AC, fridge, flushing toilet, and a shower. Boom, no complaints there. So yeah, you come out here, just view of the Gap there, fresh garden. All right, so the trail actually tightens up a bit, and this is what I've been looking at for probably the last mile and a half or so, shortly after I left Jeff's place on my way to Connellsville. So pretty cool seeing the different areas of the trail. All right, hey guys, so it is the end of day one. We came from Pittsburgh to Round Bottom, about 50 miles on the Gap Trail, and it was really, really cool. We are at a really nice campground here. We're with some folks that were just hiking the Appalachian Trail, another family that came from Pittsburgh, and just a couple of random folks that we didn't get a chance to talk to, but really nice campground right on the river. It was very refreshing to get in the river and just kind of like rinse off and feel the cool water after a long ride. It was really awesome. But yeah, day one, awesome. I love this trail because even if you're traveling in a group and you want the experience of, say, traveling solo so that you can kind of be to yourself and reflect and just take your time, you can totally do that with a group. I mean, you're not going to get lost. You can just have a meeting point and still kind of be in your own space while having that connection and camaraderie at the end of the day. So if you're thinking about doing a tour with someone, you're just not sure how it's going to go, I definitely would say that this is a great option, or really any long distance trail that you have the ability to just kind of space out and meet up would be an awesome option to start with. So we're really looking forward to tomorrow. I think we're gonna go to Confluence, but we're gonna play it by ear and see how we feel, and just kind of stop at a couple of different places along the way and have a good time. So tomorrow I'll check in with you, but until then, believe, inspire, and achieve. All right, check out, follow the subscriptions, click the like button below, click the subscribe button, notification bell. Check out the Facebook, Instagram, and website, guys. All the links will be below for you. Have a good night.